What up, Ford Era? Solomon here. Simmy over there. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode. Today what we're going to be doing is kicking off a brand new series of turning this van that has a 7.3 Powerstroke in it into a 1961 Ford F100. Simmy, how are we going to do that?
Alright, now you can start the video. Hi, I'm Simmy, and today on Ford Era what we're going to do is take this Econoline Dually 7.3 and put it on. We're going to rip this off with a Sawzall, and then we're going to come at it with a couple other things and shorten the frame up, and we're going to stick a unibody on it.
You guys want to see the unibody? I'm sure you do. Simmy, let's show them.
Let's show them. Don't show them the side.
Now it ain't this one. This one's my frame swapped Crown Vic, but
this little diamond right here, a lucky old girl, she can get a 7.3 in her.
Simmy and I picked this thing up a long time ago, probably about 2 or 3 years ago. We actually made a video picking it up, and he never did nothing with it. So now he saw how awesome it is to have a turbo diesel truck. So he wanted gold dust, but
Yeah,
you know,
right.
he's like, oh, it has a Cummins, it needs a Powerstroke. Yeah, so he's like, we need a Powerstroke. So he found this van. We're gonna make it happen. So we're gonna start to get into cutting, and we'll take you guys along with us. See you later. All right, so we cleared out the interior, and you could say there's a little bit of a rusty truck.
I was going to use this as a camper van. It's already got like holes for the bathroom. Just put a toilet right on top of it and go.
That was his original plan, was to turn this into like a off-roading fun van, but we found out how rusty it was. So we're gonna keep demoing, or we're gonna start cutting?
I'm ready to start cutting.
All right, we're gonna start cutting. You guys enjoy. All right, Simmy, what you doing, buddy?
Well, right here, you can see I got this pack of saw blades. Hard as to open. Tell you what, they make these hard to open. These saws, I'll just get thing open. Then what you're gonna do, get this like right. Open this here up. Get that all fired up. Got D-Walt. Don't tell the Milwaukee boys now. What we're gonna do, we're gonna cut down here, all the way down, take that panel out. But first, I'm gonna go in the middle and cut down the roof. So I gotta get my gloves on first, so give me a minute.
Dead?
Yeah.
What happened, Simmy?
What happened here was, you know, we were trying to do D-Walt, but it got more like what, 24 inches, and she out, so
Battery died.
Milwaukee will take her home.
That's gonna go fast, Simmy.
Yeah. I need to take a break because I can't hear anything.
What'd you find?
I found me a vice grip. Had a Mac wrench, had 2 snap-on extensions.
Oh yeah. All right, break's over. Back to work. He's over here slacking and shit, saying that his ears are hurting.
Hey, I'm gonna try to do this entire thing with one Sawzall blade.
Yeah,
Watch me do it.
Not happening. You bought a 10-pack?
I bought the 18 ply.
Some pretty sauce cutting. All right. He's gonna take a short break. We'll be back. All right, so what just happened?
What happened?
I don't know, you tell us.
Oh, just had a feeling, and I was just like, you know, let's just cut stuff with Sawzall blades, and now we're here, and half my Econoline's cut up.
So half of it's gone. Now to do the other half.
Don't get me wrong, it's pretty cool like this, you know what I'm saying? Like, that side's for advertising, this side's for chilling. Put a little gate up here so you don't fall off when we're tailgating. Cool work. Cool work. Still got some aerodynamics for the west winds.
All right, let's get to chopping.
I'm gonna switch the blade out just to make things faster.
I thought he said one blade. You're not a one blade wonder?
I could do it, but it's just so easy with a fresh blade.
Save that for later.
I don't know what part of the video this is. A Ridge blade, Sawzall blade 2.
We're gonna count all the Sawzall blades.
Yeah. You don't know how much you spend. Blades ain't cheap, man.
Slowly but surely, it's coming apart.
Interruption brought to you by Marlboro. The only way to kill a cowboy.
All right, so we got the whole back of it taken off. Now we're waiting on our scrap guy to come. He's gonna have a nice day. Main reason why we need all this stuff out of the way so we can go take the truck for a drive. See how much lighter it feels, you know? So yeah. Sim, what's next?
What's next?
Yeah.
I don't know. Clean up, maybe? Not even sure.
We'll figure it out. See you guys then. All right, so we went inside the cab and we ended up taking everything apart. The whole dash. And we didn't get any of it on video because we were in the zone. So what are we gonna do now, Sim?
We're gonna cut this off and cut the windshield out.
Yeah, so you guys are gonna see that. And that's how you do that. Thank you, Adelia. No, just, that is definitely how you get it done.
Hold on, can you sell that? What?
No, and he cracked it.
Oh, someone could make a fish tank.
what you think.
With the rest in.
A fish tank?
Yeah. Take rest in. You put it up.
All right, Simmy, so what's next?
I don't know.
Let's take this stuff out. Get the floor clean.
Keep on moving.
Gonna do some cleaning. See you guys in a second. All right, so we did a bunch of cleaning up. Clean dirty, and now we're gonna make sure that it still runs. Simmy?
Alright, we self-tap some grounds in and see what happens.
Woo-wee!
What's wrong with it, DJ?
There we go. So now we got it running. We're waiting for the scrap guy. Got a whole bunch of goodies for him. So once he finishes, we're gonna pull the truck out, power wash it, maybe drive it around a little bit. We'll see you guys in a second. Forgot to grab the camera when the scrap guy came. It's my boy Jason.
Yup.
Got it loaded up. And that's how you cut up a truck real quick. You got a good guy on deck.
You know what I'm saying?
Thank you.
Straight up, bro.
Jason's the man. Always comes through. We'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, it's been a long day. Simmy's pretty tired. He did a lot of the work because it's his truck.
Can't feel my hands from all that Sawzall.
So you guys can see what we got. And she still runs.
Vale, bro, let's go!
So now we don't know when we're gonna swap it. Got to take a whole bunch of measurements to make sure everything's gonna work out. But we're gonna do something with this. Hopefully it's that unibody. We'll see what happens. Anything to say, Sim?
I want the unibody to be on that. It's cool.
Well, we'll catch you guys in the next video. As always, like, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, drop them below. And we'll see you guys later.